Indigenous Black people, to be fruitful and multiply, you must create children that are made in your image and likeness. Creating children in your image and likeness is how you transfer your bloodline to your children. Any inheritance left behind, your children can claim because they bear your name, image, and bloodline. There is a pandemic of Indigenous Black people creating children that are not made in their image. Dear Indigenous Black people, the colonizers are not the only one making tears. The colonizers started, but the Indigenous Black people are picking up where they left off. When you procreate with the other species of mankind, you are contributing to the populations of tares. Procreating with the children of the colonizers is not duplicating yourselves.